Hey guys, AJ from GP Factory. We have another install today on our new black Grenadier. Today we're going to put on our Maxtrax mount for the spare tire. This works with the factory spare tire mounts. Let's get started on it. It's a pretty easy install. All right, so first thing we're going to do is we're going to pop off this spare tire cover. Anyways, we're going to take this off. That's using a T30 Torx will work for that. Put all this stuff back together and just keep your screw there. Then we've got 3 T30 Torx here that we're going to take out with this plastic piece. And the beauty of our mount, so it's designed to fit with the factory plate here. You don't have to remove the lug nuts at all. You literally just plop this thing right on, and we're going to use the exact same screws we just took out to put them right back into place there. Get them all nice and tight. Next step we're going to do, we obviously pre-assembled these onto the mount. When you get these, your latches and the latch knobs and the studs will not be pre-attached to this. So you're going to pre-attach this. We pre-attach them, and what you'll do is after you pre-attach them, you're going to take the actual latch bodies off to make way for putting your Maxtrax on. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to loosen these bolts as we adjust the bracket so that your Maxtrax are sitting the correct distance to grip the tires and for the mount to work properly. So this can slide in and out a little bit, and that's what we want. So to make that adjustment, best thing you do is grab like a big broom handle or a hockey stick or something. You're gonna put it from 12 to 6 o'clock, and you want that mount to sit roughly about a 1/4 inch behind that broom handle or stick. And once you have it in place there, you can kind of hold it, get your long straight thing out of the way, and start tightening down the mount bolt, just making sure that the mount itself is straight on the back bracket and the front bracket. You don't want to have this recessed too far back behind the Maxtrax because otherwise it'll just bend them and puts extra undue stress on that. So now we're ready for our Maxtrax. You can throw them in this position, slide them on the studs, slide them on. You can throw them down here if you want. You can actually run the other way too, but I wouldn't recommend that on this car because of this door opening up. So we're going to stick these right here. And the beauty of these latches is that they work on either 2 or 4 standard Maxtrax, 2 extremes, or 2 regulars, doesn't really matter. We prefer the regulars. They've been tried and tested and proven. They don't weigh as much as the extremes. You can run on 2 extremes, 2 regulars, or 4 regulars. They can be deformed, doesn't matter. You're pretty much going to screw these down, and these latches are lockable too. So once you get it down, you'll know when you got it tight enough. And that is it. You get a QD pin with it, lock one side of it, and you're good to go. And that is the Maxtrax mount for the INEOS Grenadier.